In this session, we're going to be covering how to build a custom Equifactor table in the Taproot software. You can get to this function through any Equifactor table over in your Techniques tab. We have a new button up here called Download Equifactor Import Template. That will download a brand new spreadsheet, completely blank, ready for all the new wonderful tables. So all of the tables currently in your software will be in existing Equifactor tables. And this also tells you how you should build your tables. And we'll reproduce one of these over in the table building section. So let's say I want to build out all of my tables for equipment that I have at my home. So I define a new category called home equipment. I need to build a new type of equipment. Let's call it my water heater. And if I have other pieces of equipment, I could build that down beneath. But let's go ahead and start building out these symptoms. Aha. If it is not predefined or an option in your drop-down list or a predefined piece of equipment, you'll get an error that tells you you cannot enter this. We want to make sure that we import our table properly and that we don't get any of those pesky error messages after we've finished. So if you notice, I typed in symptoms. That's not an approved one, but I see symptom right there. That tells me that is part of the required field or required entry. So what are some of the symptoms a water heater can have? Maybe short supply of hot water. And there's many possible causes. And maybe I have 3 that I want to build out. So I build 3 possible causes. Maybe I just have showers are too long. Maybe I have calcium deposits built up in a tank. Maybe I'm using a tank heater. And maybe I have my heating element is faulty. So now I've defined my titles. I need to define the parent-child relationships. So for my type of water heater, that's going to be home equipment. And notice it pops up here. You want to select that and make sure home equipment is the parent, water heater is the child. So this will be nested under home equipment. So my symptom is obviously of a water heater. And then for each of these possible causes, it's under the short supply of hot water. I can Control-C, Control-V, copy and paste into each one of those. Since that is a predefined symptom, good to go. We've defined it over here, so now it became part of our much larger drop-down list in our existing Equifactor tables. That makes it an approved entry. So now I have all of the basics that I need, but maybe I want to give some guidance. Maybe we need to revise our family policy, limit shower length. Maybe for my calcium buildup, I need to soften the water supply. Install a water softener. And maybe for my heating element, and then maybe I have test 1 in user manual. Very good. So now I have everything that I need for a basic Equifactor table. Let's save the table. Come back to my admin tab. If you're not an administrator for Taproot, you will send this to your administrator so they can upload it in the admin tab. The Equifactor portion here. They will come over to upload Equifactor import template, select the file that you gave to them. I saved this under import template. Imported successfully. And now I have the very start of my tables for my fleet of home equipment water heater. symptom, and my 3 possible causes with a little bit of guidance. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and please contact me at clark@taproot.com or info@taproot.com for any other general questions or specific questions. I hope you have a wonderful day.